What up, YouTube? Over here, I'm working on putting an exterior door in, and I just took out the door. Now I gotta take out that frame of the metal security door, and they got these security bolts on them. So these security bolts only go one way. If you try to go the other way, you slip right off. I'm sure you guys would know that by now. That's why you're viewing this video. I'm gonna show you how to get it off. Just off a grinder with a cutoff wheel. We're gonna grind right from this side to this side, right in the middle, where it has that little hump where your screwdriver can't grab. We're gonna make a line in there so our screwdriver can grab it and back it out. Grab our screwdriver. Got a 5/16 screwdriver, big one. There we go.
Important to know what the volcano has been doing in the past to have an idea what it might be doing in the future. It might be doing it for centuries, but always.
The group will stay in camp tonight for safety's sake. Before they can do any flying, they will take time to watch Dukono and make sure that its behavior is consistent with
the
the
cut we
size
made.
of data. It's absolutely necessary to know what
Be careful if you're gonna reuse it. You're gonna have to get new bolts, but try not to hit your frame. This frame is pretty much shot, so I'm just cutting them. Hope that helped, guys. Another thing too, if it's tight, the bolt's tight, and you can get it loose, but it's a lot of work to do with the screwdriver. You can go ahead and
If you choose to go up, it should be based on risk.
get a vice grip. Get it started, get it out so where you can get the vice grip on there. Clip on with your vice grip, spin her out. Hope this helped, guys. Take it easy. Keep building.